Yo, 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 welcome. I am back with a non-sneakerhead because I am doing a review of the Yeezy Foam Runners. Let's go. So first of all, I want to big up my brother's company, House Living Life for the tea. Go and check him out. I'll put link in description. Go and check him out. Secondly, I want to thank all those people who have basically subscribed to my channel. And all those new people who haven't subscribed, press a like and notification bell and you'll see all the videos I upload. But let's just get straight into this now. This is a Marmite. It's not even a sneaker. It's
Marmite?
Yeah, you're gonna love it or you hate it.
No, I hate Marmite, so I'm not gonna like it already, am I?
Let me start, innit?
No, I hate
Let me
Marmite.
start. All right. You're gonna love it or you hate it, but these are the Yeezy Foam Runners. Now, I managed to cop these in, I can't remember what colour they are. Let's just say it's a blue colour and a cream colour. So I think it's sand, but let's just get into this. This is the Yeezy.
Oh, they're Yeezys. Okay.
Yeah. It doesn't even say what colour it is. Look, it's just it's the plainest box you'd ever see. There's nothing on it. But when you open it up, it says Foam Runner inside, or foam, and runner underneath. Oh, look. I'm not going to show you yet. Here we are. Foam Runner. It says Foam Runner Sand. There you go. See that? Foam Runner Sand. These are a size 10. With Yeezy, you have to go up a size.
No, what's going
Right,
on?
let me explain. This,
Are these sandals?
yes.
Okay, fine.
These are sandals. And what they're saying is these are going to take over Crocs.
Do you even put your foot?
Yeah, it slides in. So let's just do what I started with usually. There's a sole. It looks like a brain. You know the top of a brain? Don't you think? Look at the bottom. It looks like a brain.
I ain't really seen a brain in my life. I can't lie to
Jesus.
you.
You didn't do biology?
No.
Yeah, you should. What school did I send you to? Yeah. So there's a sole. It's gripped.
Is it even comfortable though?
I don't understand if these holes are, they're designed to be in a certain way to give them breathability, etc.
Probably not.
But yeah, that's the holes around them. I know if you haven't seen these before, welcome. Like you haven't seen them.
So wait, you're telling me these are supposed to replace Crocs? At least with Crocs, there's like holes at the front, not.
Yeah, but this has got breathable holes in it.
How much was this then?
They retail for 70.
Oh, do you know?
They retail for
Crocs
£70.
like £60. Okay.
Okay, so they retail for 70. So it's in that genre, and I think because it's that 2P leather, isn't it? Is it 2P like TP?
I have no idea.
TPU, but it's one mold.
Okay.
So at the bottom you've got Adidas right there in the middle.
See, that's why they made it so tiny because like, yeah, we don't really want our names on this one.
But then there's nothing else. I mean, the design itself tells you it's a Yeezy, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, they call them foam runners, and like I said to you, I don't know if you wear them with socks, without socks. I don't know if you wear them on the beach.
I mean, to be fair, it covers your toes. It's just if you got the
I'm not gonna lie to you. The next one's what I got. I tried on, and they are comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, they are so comfortable. They're more comfortable than sliders.
Really?
Yeah. And I've got them soft cushion sliders. They're more comfortable than that. So those are sands. Let me get the other ones out.
They look like kind of like futuristic shoes.
Yeah, they're probably before their time. Again,
Yeah,
you just got foam there, and on the inside, I'll take these out. Brown paper. You've got, there you go, Yeezy Foam Runner, details in there. This is a mineral blue. It's called mineral blue. So that's the box. Quite nice, isn't it?
No. It's very basic.
It's different, isn't it? Though?
It's a basic box.
But it's different.
Like,
no?
I got Vans the other day. The band box looks better than that.
Anyway, so here's... Oh, look, your own individual paper. Oh, the mineral blue.
This
looks black, isn't it?
Yeah, it does.
But it's not. It's blue. It's blue. Sorry about the noise, everyone.
This is...
So, obviously, this is a bigger size. What they say with Yeezys, and this is what I found, you have to go a size up. Not half size, a size up.
A full size one.
Yeah. Because they run that small. So, again, these ones I tried on feet. These feel phenomenal. They look weird, though. I'm not going to lie. They look... Like I said to you, you either love them or you hate them. Again, it's the same bottom. There's no real difference there. You've got the Adidas sign right there with a little Adidas print there. There's no other. You've got a sticker inside, which is definitely going to come out at some point. You know, and that's it. There's no other. I can't see any other Adidas.
Yeah, like, what is there to talk about these? These are rubbish. I mean, these are these are different. These are different.
So you're not feeling it.
What is the like? What did they design this from, or did they just go? Do you know what? Let's just go.
Never seen it before. I can't tell you. I don't know if there's some augmented.
These
thing
are
about
weird,
it.
but I could see. Do you know? I could see people's rocking these to the beach.
Do you know how much these resell for?
When you say resale, do you mean
like
if you was to sell them on?
If you sell them on,
Okay.
you buy them because you can't get them on retail anymore.
Right.
So you
okay.
get a
I'm guessing
resale
like
price.
£200.
Over £250.
So these can never take away Crocs then, because Crocs don't sell out. That's why Crocs will never get. Because you know what I mean. You can always go and buy Crocs.
Be honest, when these first came out, everyone went no,
Wait,
and they were sitting on shelves.
When did they come
About
out?
a year ago.
Oh, they're not even new.
No. This is a new release, a different colour.
Oh, I see. I've never seen these in my life. But then again, I don't really look at trades, do I?
So when these first come out,
Yeah.
no one touched them.
I don't
And
blame
then
them.
all of a sudden, they just...
Someone famous bought them, innit?
I don't know, but I think maybe you saw the Kardashians wearing them.
Yeah, and they went, oh my god, I want to be like them.
And then it just went off.
Yeah.
It went off.
See, that's what I'm saying. They're not good in terms of just getting out there. Like, you know, you got Jordan. No, I can't really say Jordan was. Not like other sliders like Crocs when they came out. Wasn't they just like off the shelf?
I don't know, because Crocs used to be worn by like in hospitals by surgeons and things like that.
You're right.
And then what they did, they started adding colour and people started buying for their
customizing
kids
it as well,
because they're easy to slip on, isn't it?
Yeah,
Sandals what you use on the
yeah,
beach,
yeah.
slip on, slip off.
Yeah.
And people started wearing them and they were comfortable.
So I don't even own any Crocs. You know?
No, I've never owned Crocs.
Not invested in this.
I couldn't.
Well, you're invested in this.
I like them. No, you know what it is? I've got used to them because I've seen them so much. I think that's what it is. I think that's where the marketing comes in. You know, like when they play a song on the radio, you first hear it, you're like,
Oh, and then you hear
and
it.
then
a couple
afterwards
times,
you
you're
can
like,
hear
yeah,
it,
it's
hear
alright,
it.
you start
So
singing
I
to
think
it.
that's what's happened with these.
Yeah.
But then I think because they only release a certain amount, like I think Kanye is trying to get Yeezys out there like a standard thing.
Yeah, but then you
know
can't
what I
get
mean?
them run out. You can't let them run out of stock then.
But they run out of stock.
Then they're
But
never
how many
going to be
people?
that.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Because
It's one of those catch too. When he first done them, he wanted them to be exclusive. That's why they were expensive, etc., etc.
Yeah.
So then you can't then turn around and basically
like,
say, "Oh no, I want it to be. I want everyone to have them now. I want it to be like a Air Force One."
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Then running out of stock is just not on. You can't be.
Yeah. Oh, you've got to do another release again. But to be fair, do you remember I done a video on sliders?
Yeah.
Yeezy
The
sliders.
Nike ones.
No, the Yeezy sliders.
Oh yeah.
Those they're releasing them again this month. At the end of this month.
Oh, because he wants them to
But
be
a different colour. The same colour I think on 3 of them.
But he's
Core
doing
but he's doing another colour, like an orange colour.
Okay.
So it may be that he releases these again next month.
Yeah,
And if you do it every month, it's going to get to a point where resale is not the
issue anymore.
and it's just going to be you're going to be able to pick them up somewhere and whatever. So in conclusion, alright, so like I said, the retail price was £70. All on resellers now, and like I said to you, if you go on StockX, they're going for over £200 on every size. They're going for over £200. Size wise, you have to go up a size.
Okay.
I would say a full size. All the Yeezys I've had to go up a full size to be comfortable.
It's pretty rubbish.
I don't know why they do like that. And it's funny because this says a US 13, then it's a UK 13. So,
I mean, so you're telling me I'm size 11, so I would have to get size 12
Yeah.
to look more like a clown
no,
than it already does. Just so I can wear these. That's ridiculous.
I don't think it looks like a clown. Like, I felt they were quite nice when I put them on.
Yeah, but I mean, when you're in like
They
the
looked
shorts
alright.
and stuff, if you're wearing like I can see people wear them to the beach and to the sea because they look. I mean, you're gonna get the water in your feet. And
All
stuff
right, but
like
you
that.
say that, but back in the day, did you see people wearing sliders as normal day shoes?
I don't think you can wear these as normal day shoes.
I think you can wear these more normally than sliders.
Nah, you can wear sliders normally. This when I happen, you'll get on the bus with these people like, wait, what's going on with this brother's feet? Do you know what I mean? And they'll be like, ooh.
So, cop or drop?
Drop.
Can you let me finish the word? Cop.
How was your cop or drop?
Yeah, but I literally said drop and you said drop before.
Yeah, drop. There's a discussion about it.
Do you think £70 is worth it? Is that too much?
Because they are Yeezys, they're going to come with a price tag, so...
You're not surprised by it?
I'm not surprised by £70. Like,
but if like sliders, remember sliders used to be £10 and now they're like £25, £30.
Yeah, that's because the like more brands have got onto it.
Right.
Like I said, if it's Nike, Adidas and something like that, there's always going to be that higher sort of price range. You know what I mean? So with Yeezys, like, I expect Yeezys to be... I think £70 is not bad for Yeezys.
Okay, so...
Personally, I wouldn't buy them.
Alright, so your dress sense, you wear like skinny clothes.
Yeah.
Tight clothes. Do you think you'd be able to wear these with them?
No.
It just wouldn't
No,
go?
it just would not go. Like, if I'm wearing shorts or something like that, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
But with jeans, no.
Okay.
I think with jeans, you're going to look like a... With jeans, you're going to look like an idiot. You know, you got to just remind yourself where you are.
Yeah. Alright, listen. So, there it is, man. You can... What do you think of the colours, though?
I mean, they're the same as the other ones, just plain colours.
Yeah? Earthy colours, innit?
Yeah, they're just like... I mean, that doesn't even look blue, to be honest with you.
To be, like, putting it like, it looks blue now.
No, it doesn't.
No?
It looks black.
Okay. It looks blue to me. I can literally see blue.
Yeah, because your eyes are... That's why you wear glasses.
Anyway,
So...
Listen.
Let us know in the comments down below if you would cop or drop this. Because these, personally for me, wouldn't even look at them, dropped. This is... lovely.
I'm going to let you try them on.
Okay.
Afterwards. We're not going to talk about it now, but I'm going to let you try them on and then, you know what I mean? I'll put comments on what you think of them when they tried on. Right, you're going to say, oh my God.
They might be comfortable, but it's whether they...
You couldn't wear them still the same way.
Because like, sliders are comfortable.
Yeah.
Crocs are comfortable.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the thing is, I guess it gets to the point where I'm probably saying it because I'm not used to it, but if everyone started wearing it, I'll be like, okay, they're normal. But again, I don't think with skinny jeans and the way my foot works, I just don't think that's gonna really...
It makes it sound like your foot does different things.
No, but it's just like skinny jeans, because these are what, size 13, so size 11 is gonna be like here.
So it's like, so these are 10s.
Oh
so,
yeah, okay. So these are, okay, cool. Yeah, so my foot will probably be back here. That's gonna look big. And it already looks wham. Like, do you know what I'm saying? It already looks like it's... Nah, I couldn't. Even if I saw everyone in the world wearing them and their dad wearing them, I'd be like, no.
So, like, you got your own channel, you got your followers and whatever. Would you advise your followers to go?
No. I wouldn't even,
Bro,
I wouldn't even
finish the
suggest
sentence.
it. Would I advise my followers to wear them? No. I wouldn't even suggest it. I wouldn't even be like, even if I got sponsored by this, I'd be like, don't sponsor me, please.
You turn down the Yeezy sponsor?
Yeah. If it's for these ones, yeah. 100%. Because I'm not going to sponsor for that I don't believe in.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I get it. Right, you've got standards.
And unless I sell out, and if like, oh, do you know what, here's so-and-so. So,
Unless the P's are talking, innit?
Take it. I'm like, all right. Okay. But
So the P's are saying, yeah. Obviously, you know, you've got to think about things again. Yeah?
You got to think about it as a living. Do you know what I mean? You got to. I mean, I'm sure everyone's done stuff that they don't want to do. But if there's things are there, like you don't work every day for the fun of it.
No, that's true.
You do it for money. Like you don't go, oh, I can't wait to go to work today. Golly. No, you don't. You do it to get paid and to get a check.
Yeah, that's true.
So
I'm going to leave it at that, really. I mean, like I said, I wasn't really going to go over these because there's so many channels what have done these. Like, I mean, it's unbelievably so many channels. And they haven't really changed their design. All it's changed is the colour. These were one of the original release colours, I think.
Yeah, I can see that being.
Do you know what I mean?
Because it's not exactly
and this is the newest release colour.
Black.
And they done one which we used like seaweed or something. So it's all like a marble effect.
What?
Yeah. I'll show you.
I guess they don't go for £70, do they?
No, they're gone. They were up there.
70?
They were going retail 70.
Oh wow.
And then, you know what I mean? And I would there's a YouTube guy I follow, Aiden, ACS Kicks.
Hold tight, Aiden.
Yeah. He done a good review on them. I'm going to put the link in my thing, so go and check him out. And he told you what they're like. So follow him. That's it, man. All I can say is, if you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and hit notification bell. Please make sure you check out Don Townsend's videos. His channel, I'll put a link below. Let's get the subscribers up. Yeah, and just let you know, I might be doing a giveaway, a competition, if I hit 1,300 subscribers. So
it's quite specific numbers.
No, yeah. Cheeky. I might even give these away.
Oh,
do you know what I mean? So
you don't. I mean, they're not the best to give away. No one's gonna want them.
Bro, you can give these away and sell them. You 100% profit.
Can I enter the competition?
No.
Oh, okay.
So
Try.
there we have it. Thanks for watching, and I'm gone. Peace.
Cheers.